Uh-oh, gumball avalanche. Whew, that was pretty fun.
Let's get Poppy covered in gumballs.
Do-do-do. Ooh, what's this machine? Oh, it has yummy gumballs inside. A red button. Do not touch. Oh, it wouldn't hurt. Look at those gumballs go! Wait a minute, what just happened? Those gumballs magically turned into a toy? Did anybody else see this? Hello? Hello? Bran, come here, fast! Poppy, I was sleeping. What's going on? Branch, Branch, Branch! I just tried some magic. I just found a magic machine. Poppy, there's no such thing as magic. Branch, Branch, Branch. I turned gumballs into a toy. Look, it's right here. Ooh, you did? How did it work? Hey, Nat, will you show us how it works? Yeah, Nat, will you show us how this works?
Hey guys, welcome back to Toys Unlimited. It's Nat, and today I'm going to show you our Just Like Home blender and microwave magic. I have my first assistant here, Ms. Poppy, and we have Branch over here who will be helping us on the microwave. And here's how it works. We need a bowl and our favorite color of candy. This time I chose yellow gumballs. Pour them in.
Oh boy, I remember what I did next. I hit that big red button.
That's right, Poppy. Let's go ahead and hit that big red button.
Poppy, are you sure this is going to work? This sounds just so weird. No, Branch, I promise.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, awesome!
You see? It worked again! Whoa, Poppy, this is exciting.
Okay, guys, so we have two surprises now. We have this one here, and we got this one from our rainbow gumballs. Let's go ahead and open this one first.
Oh, and before we get too far into this video, I want you to let me know what my favorite color is. If you know the name of this gumball color right here, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more magic videos and troll videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Woohoo! Because the more thumbs up this video gets, the faster we do another troll video and magic video. Okay, let's open up our surprises. Hey, what color is my favorite color? It's this, right here.
So first up, we have these Disney figure blind bags. I'm still missing Mickey Mouse, and I've opened up so many of these. I'm also missing Captain Hook. Who do we have? Whoa, we got Aladdin.
Everyone knows magic exists. Watch this.
Let's rub his lamp. Doop, 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 doop. Whoa, how is that not magical? Okay, so for the second surprise, we have this really cute Tsum Tsum blind bag. Did we get a mystery character? We did! We got the exclusive bee. I think we have Bambi. Aww, so cute. Bambi has the color orange, so let's try orange gumballs next.
Okay, Poppy, it's my turn to try this. We're doing orange gumballs next.
So let's fill up our cup with orange gumballs. This is the color orange. Into the blender they go.
I'm gonna keep a close eye on them. There has to be some type of trick.
Let's hit the red button. I'm watching you, gumballs.
Whoa, I didn't see anything.
That's right, because it's totally magic. So we have a Trolls keyring set. There's 6 we can get. Let's move Branch to the back and see who it is. Hey, it's our main character. Do you remember what her favorite color is? If you do, let me know in the comments down below.
Is my favorite color purple? No, silly. It's the same color as me. What color am I? Poppy. Yes, Branch? Let's try out that microwave too. Do you think they're both magical? That would be the best day ever. Okay, it's my turn, and I'm going to pick the color blue.
For Poppy, we have lots of blue gumballs. Blue. Let's put all of our gumballs inside. Okay, all the gumballs are inside. Let's hit the on button. Hey, that worked just as well. This time we got some Shopkins. Whoa, our blue gumballs made a pack of Shopkins. Come on, let's open it up for Poppy. We have a play tile, and we also have some Shopkins. Ooh, a little radio. There's 2 more. That's cool. I think it's a little video game console.
Oh, they're so cute and tiny. I have to bow down pretty far to look at them. That was a great surprise. Poppy, they're so cute. Come on, let's try it again.
So this time it's Branch's turn. Let's give him a bunch of green gumballs. I think that's a good amount. And into the microwave they go.
Ooh, I can't wait to see. Let's just pick a button over here. Okay, and get started.
Whoa!
That surprise is so big, it can't even spin anymore. Let's just go ahead and open the door and pull out my awesome surprise. Woohoo, I got another Tsum Tsum bag.
We already got Bambi. Cute. This time we got an itty bitty Daisy. Aww. She's so cute. Hey, and her color is purple. Why don't we do purple next? This here is the color purple. Into the magic blender they go.
I'm going to keep a close eye on them.
And let's turn on our blender. Cook, cook, cook. Wow.
Darn, I didn't see the magic again.
What did we get? Let's pour it out. We have a blind bag here. Whoa, awesome. We have an itty bitty power pony. This one's Applejack. So cool. And we also have this blind bag here. Ooh, I think we have like a white Venom. Let's do one last color.
Why just red? Let's do it just like my personality and make it rainbow.
Okay, so Poppy, we're adding lots of colors. Red and other colors make a rainbow. Let's cook with our blender one last time. Wow, it worked again. We have, I think it's a Disney Tsum Tsum blind bag. Whoa, who did you get? Hey, it's Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Ooh, he's pretty scary looking. I wonder if he goes on this side. That would make a lot more sense.
Uh-oh, gumball avalanche. Woo, that was pretty fun.
Let's get Poppy covered in gumballs.
Okay everyone, thanks for watching and playing with the magic microwave and blender with us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget, even more important, leave a comment if you know my favorite color. It's the question of the day. Also, you can subscribe to Toys Unlimited by hitting the big red button down below, and that way you can find their videos every single day.
We'll see you later, guys. This was Nat from Toys Unlimited. I'll see you guys tomorrow in our next video. Bye, everyone.